all done misting. Hey guys, what's going on? Hope everyone's good. Wagwan. Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, if you haven't watched a video here before, I am Nicoy and Patrice, and come along and see what we get up to on this Sunday day off. Nala's hiding and Navian's in the mirror in the window. Open the door, girl. You see how they play around? She done locked us out because I wanted to come out here and get some good light, you know, to start this video. But yeah, let's get Navian, open the door. Grandma's waiting for me.
No, she's not. Get me.
Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera.
You don't pay me to be in your video.
I don't get paid. I don't get paid for these videos either. So who's gonna pay? How anybody gonna get paid?
What are you looking for?
Oh God, Father, what is he doing?
Minding his damn business. What are you doing?
Minding his business. He don't have any business.
You don't either.
My business. His business is my business.
Yeah, wait, fire enough.
Okay. Did you just put the chicken in the pot?
How long you put the chicken, put on the chicken in my pot? How long you boil up before you go bathroom?
You broke it.
All in my damn face. Just back in.
Yeah.
Just back in.
Not searching for it. It's not need to be searched for. It's in the thing. Now, can you go in the box and take your father's social security card? Shut up. Ooh, that's hot. Oh yeah. I'm making some chicken foot soup today. I'm about to help Georgia cut up this vegetables. I need the spot. Not sitting down and cutting it up.
What am I going to use this so that's why I'm waiting for you to come.
Well,
Yeah, what happened now?
you don't need to do this right now.
I'm going to do it because Nicky and me, same when I'm going to do it, take you to the fridge and defrost.
Okay, but I'm saying you don't have to do it right now. I can't sit and cut this up. So either you do it by yourself or you let me do what I need to do.
Sorry, what should I say, John?
So you could wait 2 seconds.
Take a look up, right?
Exactly. Well, I cut this up and then when I'm done, you come back and cut up that to put it away. What are you cutting up to put away anyway, mommy? A chicken foot and chicken back.
They mean have to clean you up, Nicky, if you put it, clean you up and put it away. We can't just put it in the fridge and take it back out and season it again.
Oh, she got her hair going on. She making flowers for the dumplings. I still owe y'all a fried dumpling video from her. But anyways, let's go cut up this vegetable. We gotta move this out the way. We gotta clean this up a little bit. We gotta start unplugging this light when we're not using it. We gotta do anything to save the damn light bill. The light bill is crazy. Anything. This light over here, so. 2 Irish you have in that pot?
A 6 Irish me put in the Nikki. 6 Irish me put me please.
Get back some kitchen mats. All cut. Carrot, chocho, and Irish. Ready for the pot. Alright, let's go put it in the pot. Obviously, you can't put you too close to the pot because it's going to steam up. So, already we have, mommy, that's a lot of garlic. The oh, it's not bubbling too hot. So we got the pumpkin already in there, some garlic, chicken foot, and the chicken. And yep, and we steam up. Hold up, wait, yep, you steam up. Anyways, let's put this in. Ta-da!
spoon.
Want to take the spoon here? Put those in there so they can boil out.
See? We can believe that it's old and
Here, put this back.
you know dipping.
No. I'm gonna turn it back up now, soon as you put the There's something ahead. Would you just put the cut soup in there so they can boil out?
No, it cut soup in the grind.
Why not? The cock soup can go in a heat. Ew! The cock soup can go in a heat and cook out.
No, nothing.
Why not? What's the difference?
We still put everything in there.
I really do hate doing that. That's too small a spoon. Now you better put my pizza. See what I say? And I'm only take out one jug of in water. I usually put this stuff in my compost. I haven't. Again, terrible gardener this year. I haven't done anything pertaining to gardening but the few things that my friend just gave me. I'll put a clip in of that. I think I did a short video for that. A friend of mine gave me like some plants because I have nothing. But Jackie swear he's gonna go buy the stuff. So I'm wondering what he's waiting on. Cut next time I got what's in here for the compost pile. Next time I got what's that? I need to buy another pack of these because these are good. For the water. Some of the other one they know wipe up water good. Alright, now let's go put the cock soup. When I say good friend better than pocket money. See, I didn't sow anything. And a good friend brought me some seedlings. See that? Good friend better than pocket money. For the pot. Cock soup, pumpkin soup, and another cock. I usually put 3, but one usually chicken. Pumpkin, supposed to be chicken, and cock soup. But this is what they bought, so this is what we're about to use. I didn't go to the store. So that's what we're about to use. How is this cock soup bag now open?
Should put 2 cock soup in there.
And I took out something here there.
Oh.
And then what's in the pot?
It's killing any time at the same time.
You asked me if I help you cut up vegetable.
Then I do it's killing any time.
You look at the pumpkin mash out and the pot still not, pretty. Pot could have prettier. Maybe the cock soup boil out.
The pumpkin is never pretty at all.
Pumpkin mash up and maybe when the cock soup boil out, then something. That's that. Okay, let's just go ahead. Wait, pepper. You put pepper?
No,
Let's cover it back so it can boil back up. And this is why I be forgetting to vlog. All the work. The camera, move the camera around. You have to do this, you have to do that. Yeah, can we dump it already? Time. You have to dump it already, man?
Yeah, everything I go in do one time. Make it cook.
One whole pepper, and I poke it.
I don't want more pepper see.
Well, let's see. You don't want to overhot the soup, and I poked with a knife. So open it up. Now I'm gonna put it in here. I'll bring you guys back over so you could see. Mommy already started putting dumpling in here, so let's stir. See, pot. And I know a lot of people like soup for Sunday dinner, but if you're from the Caribbean, you know our soups is not like a chicken soup from here. Our soup is a whole meal, because if you see the amount of food in the pot, you know, hold up, let me lower you guys so you guys can see. There we go. You guys can see a little bit better. They have all that food that you just saw me cut up and put in here. Just lower you down to her level. I can't. You see how neat they are? I make dumpling, but they are not that neat. Ain't no way. Do you see that? The handwork. We call her at the end. And now she gonna flatten them out a little bit. Look. I'm gonna have to catch her another time, especially when she make the fried dumpling. The next Sunday I'm off. Not this coming up, the other one. I think that's like Mother's Day. Oh, hold up, that's Mother's Day. And that's it for that.
Stir this pot.
Now we're gonna stir. Oh, black pepper. I have, when this hot soup cook up, if it tastes, if it needs salt. Obviously it's gonna need salt. But the black pepper. Oh, let me just catch when I dumpling. Well, let's cover it down so it can cook. We'll be back. I'm watching my girl Nikki. She had her baby. Anyways, let's go. Let's go check on the pot.
The 1 pound of chicken butt. Chicken butt.
The other chicken, you should have just combined the other chicken with the you're leaving one for another soup, right? Oh, let's turn that down to the. Hold on, wait. Let's get you guys a close up on the bubble. See all that steam? It's gonna get foggy, so I can't put it close. There you go. Do you see that bubble? Oh, guys, this is gonna be so good.
So combine the other chicken with this here.
No. Oh, wait. Okay, I gotta put you guys down because I need to stir and I need to hold the pot. So here, you guys stay right there. Stay there while I get a kitchen cloth. Let me get some real dark ones for the kids right here.
This here.
Hold the pot and get deep. It's gonna be so good. Y'all want some? Do y'all want some? Oops. Do y'all want some? Look at that. Just look at that. Ooh, ooh.
You taste it now?
Okay, all the flavors are here. Just need pepper and salt. Oh, this could, I gotta buy another one of these. This gotta go back in. That's her bacon.
Oh shoot! That's why flour inside. Oh.
I mean, it's regular baking powder. It's just that's the one she used. Just like the other salt where Terrence used for the So adding some grounded black pepper. You know, we Caribbean, we Jamaicans, we like pepper. Not me that much, but gotta put some flavor, man.
And you just put one extra pepper in it. One other pepper.
Yeah, these peppers are not that strong. Those two idiots out there. And salt. Salt. I like my pink salt. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot to pause the TV. I have to restart that. Oh, this chicken's so good. Yeah, I don't think I need to add any more salt actually. I think that's good. Oops, I would like to taste it just a little bit much.
Keep boiling. It's salt, you put it boil.
Yeah. I don't think it's gonna need no more salt. I think also the piece of the chicken breast that go in there had some seasoning on it, so it had that. It has that flavor too. was watching somebody's video one time and they seasoned the chicken before they put it in the.
A lot of people do it.
They put it in the pot.
A
I'm
lot
like,
of people do it.
ew now. But actually, now that I'm tasting this,
A lot of people do it.
oh fuck this punch of this new shit.
So then we season, they come in and have seasoned chicken in the fridge and just throw in and mix soup. And you alright.
Not too much. Another one. You just gotta, that chicken breast gotta boil now. I'm gonna turn it down. Oh, I already have it on 5.
Just put it on a bottom part.
You see my phone? Did I leave it upstairs?
Huh? A lot.
I guess I left it upstairs. I'm leaving her. And we're going back because it's hair braiding time. Her hair, she fixed it. I took it out. I told her to take it out because I'm be off Sunday and I could make her hair. Hold up, let's go back. My veil. Turn on some lights. Oh, she's gonna have to turn on that light. That light switch is not on, so she's gonna have to turn on that light. But yeah, so I'm watching Simply Nikki on YouTube. She just had another baby. She's an Australian YouTuber that I've watched for years now. But yeah, so I told Night to take her hair out so that I could rebraid it. You know what I'm not feeling right now? Rebraiding hair. That's not what I'm feeling. I'm not feeling the rebraid hair. I should have let it stay in for another week or 2. No, I have no choice but to do her hair. So I'm gonna have her turn this light on up here, open up these curtains. See, it's all dark and everything in here. So I'm gonna open these curtains and let some natural light in, and then we'll go from there. So tune back in. We'll be back.
Turn on your pot to cook time. So we can't have a boil when
I forgot the corn. We like to put corn in our chicken soup here. So I forgot the corn. So now I'm gonna have to boil the corn on the side and put them in the pot. You take out the pot?
You put them up, you know?
Yeah, but that isn't that pot too small. Okay.
Too small.
Oh, you got the thing out? Couldn't get the straw out earlier. The thing.
If I put them there, I want to zip up back now.
Yeah, I could do that.
No, I'm not going to. You just, I tell you. too thick.
Yeah, I mean, you could drop them in. But it's forgot to turn the stove back up. She's adding in the corn. Because now you have to stir it back up and make this boil back up. Oh, excuse me. Why did I do it like this? Like, that's wild. Like, who, like...
Class really jumps over people. $11,900. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but it's that wedding designer everyone wants.
The one from Nick London?
Is hers with a G?
No, I think hers was an A.
No.
This is where I am so far. Haters over there is looking at me. Haters in the corner. This is where I am so far. Don't look at the parts. Yep, almost finished. We're up here at the big top.
No, I have to show you.
Okay, from afar. I haven't wet it or what's it called?
Mousse.
Or moussed it yet, but so far this is what we got. Just remember, I'm not a professional, so yeah, don't look at my parts. Just know her hair is done for the next 3-4 weeks, and that's all that matters. And I did it myself. Next time, here she is. Hold up, let me pause the TV.
I'm Ethan, and I'll be taking care of you. Can I start you off with some drinks?
Okay. Let's turn on the light. Okay, that's better. Okay, here she is, all done. All dipped in hot water and moussed up. Just get the grease and rub some in your scalp now. Okay, you're all done misting.